To charge earbuds by using your Samsung S24 FE, we've got two methods. The first one, just go into the settings and you will actually start from the main screen. So I'm going to show you quickly step by step. You will have to go for battery. Right here, move for wireless power sharing. Basically turn it on. And now you will have to put it like that. And the case of your earbuds put on the back of your phone. And now, as you can see, it starts charging. You have to be sure that your earbuds charging case support wireless charging. So this is the first method. And the second method is to use the cable, the double USB-C cable, that you will have to plug inside the port of your earbuds, and second one into your phone. Take a look. And now, as you can see, it start charging. So that's how we can do this, quite simple. For sure it works also for any other Samsung phones with the reverse wireless charging, and thanks for watching.